Okay, we'll filming. Hello, we are on Seliger countryside, and we found in this old building something.
An ancient vacuum cleaner.
Okay, ancient vacuum cleaner. Woohoo! Let's check what are the parts of this cleaner.
Let's see if it's working.
Yeah. Let's.
Сейчас такой.
That's the shape, and
It's shaped like a rocket. Ну чё, сбоку?
давай, жги. Yoo-hoo! Работает? Is it working? Is it good? Are we gonna sleep in a clean house?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm glad. God, how old is this stuff?
I don't know. What's the name? Oh,
That's amazing. That is really something.
yeah.
Thank you, dear, for bringing us loose and clean air, clean carpet. Our training carpet. That's where we're training. She's a good wife. She's gonna be a good wife with this vacuum cleaner. Woohoo! Okay, thank you.